Yo, yeah, yo. Life's a bowl of cherries, life's like a box of chocolates. No matter what the time of day, I say I'm gon' rock it. Nobody can stop it. I'ma tell you what they say. Why put off until tomorrow what you can do today? Hey, it's not easy street, so stop bitching. If you can't take the heat, then get the fuck out the kitchen. Man, listen, as real as some cash get, I still never put all my eggs in one basket. That's not my tactic, I'm only counting stacks instead of counting chickens before they even hatch. I'm waiting on my match, and you could bring them all, cause the bigger they are, the harder they'll fall. I don't care who you call, you gon' get them all done. Why? Time really flies by when you having fun. Try to tell them I'm the one, but some niggas never learn that when you play with fire, you're gonna get burned. And the tables might turn when some niggas get killed. But I guess it's no sense crying over spilt milk. I can't tell you everything that I dealt with in my past, but tell your kid a hard head to make a soft ass. And you shouldn't throw stones living in a glass house, right? Like trying to turn a hoe into a housewife. You ain't nothing what I'm like. When it rains, it pours. You watching me, but a watch pot never boils. Watch clocks never turn. Niggas not my concern. They say that a penny saved is a penny earned. I'm just trying to take my turn. I don't do this for my health, but if you want something done right, gotta do that shit yourself. Yeah, go ahead and stack your wealth. But if you steal and you rob, don't send no little boy to do no grown man job. This is grown man B.I. So cut all the squawking and shut your mouth when you hear grown folks talking. It's all too often and shit gets out of order. I'm nice as the people in hell on ice water. The lines that I brought up, the things that I thought of, your man's getting led like lambs to the slaughter. Every minute I get smarter, and fast don't lie. My drive runs have niggas dropping like flies. Ain't no need to disguise what I can already tell. Me quitting? Nah, it'll be a cold day in hell. Yeah, it's Black the Illa Threat. 2015. I'm still here. No doubt.